I am very happy to have the inauguration of the program VIPAS 2020, first national online IT fest to be conducted from 24th August 2020 to 28th August 2020, conducted by the Computer Science Department of Sri Shankara Vidya Peedam College, Valayanchirangara. First of all, I am very happy to say that the management had invited me for inaugurating this program. I thank the chairman of the management, Sri M.B.S. Nambudiri, principal of the college, Dr. Padma P. And I am very happy to say that I am invited for this inauguration in connection with the inspiration, that is a skill development program of the students throughout the colleges. A lot of colleges will be participating in the online IT fest. Hundreds of students may be registering for that. And I am very happy that the Sri Shankara Vidya Peedam is coordinating this program. And this program is particularly an extracurricular activity other than the college ongoing programs, which will encourage the students to develop skill. And skill development is actually a current program stressed by the government and as well as the UGC to develop skill in students. Like different kinds of programs will be coordinated. How you will incorporate particularly the skill development is you cannot buy skills, or it is not possible to purchase something like goods or anything like that from others. Skill can be developed only through hard work and hard skill development program, particularly the regular experience. So in that context, this program is very relevant for the students of the science and technology colleges. Here the knowledge development center, which will be creating skills on various kinds of quizzes, ideas development, startup programs and debating, etc. Within a period of 5 days without affecting the online programs of the colleges. They will be coordinating, that is competitions will be conducted on events on coding wizards, then Jala the Ish, which is a web creation program. SmartTech, it is a startup idea development program. And this is also another very important and current course of study, particularly startup. When the students are going out from the institute, they will be able to start some industry, so that they will be able, without the support of anybody, they will be able to stand on their legs. Then innovation project idea development, Tech Intellect is a quiz program. Lab photography is another important idea, particularly because now we know that our world, current world is of infotainment, that is information and entertainment combined together to form infotainment, in which photography is very important. Then we shall see which is a digital painting program competition, quarantine cup gaming with online gaming, and word war, which is a debate. And you will find that the arts and science students will be very that you can say that they are not able to present their projects or presentations in a good manner compared to any other students from outside Kerala. It's outside universities of Kerala. You will find that our students will be well and they will be having knowledge, everything will be there, but they will not be able to present what they are knowing. That is difficult. So in that context, word war is very important. Then Gayadi, which is a singing competition. Then Gunguru is a dancing program competition for the students. And I came to know that about hundreds of students will be registering for each program, and it will be a great success. The coordinators and everywhere they are very confident of this fact. How I am very happy to inaugurate this program, and with the permission of you all, I inaugurate this program of 5 days, which will be connected with skill development of the students of various colleges. They will be participating online. Thank you.